Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, a graduate student of the Grok Mentoring Program, and today is Monday, January 24th, 2011. And this is the vNewsletter Stock Report. We're going to start off today by taking a look at the S&P 500, and we could see here, if we blow this up, we had a bullish day today. Yeah, nice bullish day. We have a slightly higher low. I mean, it is really, really close. A little bit higher, and just about even highs as well, a little bit higher. The good news is we were able to break above, back into that trend line. We were able to close above that trend line, so that's good. Bullish. Alright, so is there more bullish to come tomorrow? Who knows? You know, we've got a consumer sentiment report coming out tomorrow. President Obama speaks tomorrow night about the State of the Union. So, yeah, right now at the moment, you know, things are looking a little bullish. If we take a look at our bull stock of this week, GNTX, we've been tracking this one for quite a while. We have a bull pullback set up here. Very nice looking bull pullback. Now, we did pull back past this base area. We've got a strong area of support right here in this region between $29 and $30. Okay, strong area support. We spent several weeks back here in December building in a high base. Lots of support here. Okay, we have a nice pullback, good reward risk ratio right now. I'm going to move my green lines here. This would be a good target area up here at the top of this candle. Possible entry. I'm just eyeballing it right now, but right in this area above the candle, maybe a little bit closer even. With a stop, of course. Make sure we always use stops. Stop right down this area here. Okay, so we could fit about 3 or 4 of those, 3.5, in this target range. So nice reward to risk ratio. Now, bad things about this trade. Bad thing is it's below the 20-day moving average. Not liking that. Also, our volume. Was a little bit higher than what I'd like to see on the pullback. MACD, you can't see, it's off the screen here, but MACD just turned negative 2 days ago, Friday. This day here, we dropped down below the zero line. However, we have a very smaller tick on the histogram, ready to turn positive, so that's good. If we look at the weekly, let me bring the weekly over here. The weekly also looks like we're ready for a bull pullback. Okay, we've got a nice small candle here. Very overextended though. Alright, that's the good thing about the daily. The daily we were overextended, and we've came back and tagged it. Now, I'm not liking that it's under the 20-day, but we've been under the 20-day before. As you can see down here, we tucked underneath it only to blast through it, and that's when we made these huge higher highs. And we became a bit overextended here, and we had that long several week basing to the 20-day moving average. Okay, so we tucked down underneath it again. We have the potential to break back up above it. Okay, this happened back here too. You can see a couple times. We tucked underneath it. Here we spent a couple days underneath it, about 2-3 weeks before we were able to pop above it. But GNTX likes its 20-day moving average. As you can see, dances around it an awful lot. Okay, we got really overextended here, and we're right back at the 20-day moving average again. Now you're going to want to watch the markets. You know, we want them to remain bullish, of course. If the markets turn bearish, you might want to think twice about taking this trade. But right now, everything's looking like a good setup to me. So, you know, alerts on. This guy's looking real good. Now, the next thing I'd like to do is take a look at our bear stock of the week, and right now we're just following Garmin, GRMN. This is a daily, and Garmin is in a symmetrical triangle, and we pulled back here down to support of the trend line and the 20-day moving average, and today we had a bullish day along with the markets. Look where we went up above here, tagged this upper resistance line, only to close right back down it. So we've got this nice symmetrical triangle going. A trade on this, we're looking for a break down out of this triangle. Okay, along with market support, we would need the market's turned bearish, and if so, and this guy could really take a nosedive down here into these levels. So Garmin's on my watch list. I'm going to keep him in my back pocket, check him daily, and if the market's turned bearish, then this could be a potential short trade. A couple things here I want to remind you guys. On the FTV site, or if you're on YouTube, there's a like button down here, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do me a favor and click that, even if it's thumb down. You know, I'm a big boy, I could take those hits. That way I know that you're out there watching, so I enjoy that, and if you would do me the favor of doing that, that would be wonderful. And also, those of you that are happen to be watching this on YouTube, leave a comment on the YouTube down there below the video, and also click subscribe, and that way you'll be alerted every time I leave a video on one of these stocks. That way you don't miss a possible trade, just like GNTX is setting up today. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Also, one more thing I want to remind you of, make sure you definitely go to FOTV, freeonlinetradingvideos.com. When you get there, click on Trading Education and go through the 101 videos. Guys, these videos are free education for the beginning traders out there. If you're not quite sure, you know, names of things, formations, candlesticks, uptrends, downtrends, trend lines, all that, you can get that free at our website here at freeonlinetradingvideos.com. So there you go. I hope you all have a great trading day today, Tuesday, if you're watching Tuesday, and we'll be talking to you later tonight. Take care, everybody.